the most lovable, debatable and always discussed topic is about metro rail today, and we are trying to work out the ways to start the system for execution of this metro rail project. And Mr. Ziauddin is available here. Actually, he has been kind enough that we are making lot of rounds in the city. Today morning we were on the road from 6:30 onwards. We made a lot of we can say reconnaissance survey in our technical way, but whatever available problems and bottlenecks are there, that has been seen today in the morning up to 10 o'clock. So things are going on well. After hearing our friend of APS RTC and the other friend, what we feel is definitely all of us want to solve the problem of traffic in the city. We are here to discuss on traffic solutions. At the same time, this project is generating a lot of discussion. So now what I would like to present here is why the project is conceived, what are the factors which are now taking the competition in the cities, among cities. Suppose you can see now metro rail is coming up in Delhi, it has come up, it is coming up in Mumbai, it is coming up in Chennai, it is coming up in Bangalore. Similarly, Kochi is on the road, Pune is trying. So now the competition is coming in the cities, it is not in the country itself. So even similarly, when we talk about a metro rail system, again we get into the competition with reference to Singapore metro rail system, or we go with discuss about Bangkok metro rail system. So now we have become a global village, and with this global village, the competition is this service sector has become a dominated sector, where after this IT sector boom, now everywhere we can do this BPO outsourcing is going on. So this service sector is the most important sector, and which we attract professionals. The city should be livable. So if you want the city to be livable, as rightly said by my predecessor, the air quality should be good. The city should have a livable area surroundings, and for that what we require is we have to go for a better quality of life. To create better quality of life, we have to take lot of measures. We have to first look into the system what we are living in, then how we can improve upon that. Presently we are at 35% urbanization, and you know what is happening in the urban areas. Now this is just a geographical spread of Hyderabad core area, then Hyderabad urban agglomeration area, which is earlier Huda area, then HMD area. That's how demography is there. Next, this is about the traffic scenario which we are facing every day in terms of facts and figures. What I would like to mention here is this four-wheelers are getting added at a very rapid pace in the twin cities. So they are occupying a lot of space, and if you look at the occupancy of the four-wheeler, it is coming to hardly 1.5%. That is the average occupancy ratio of any four-wheeler. So when we get a big four-wheeler which has got 6-seaters, 7-seaters also available, and only 1.5%, that is the average occupancy ratio, then what is happening is the road space is getting occupied. And in urban atmosphere, the most precious commodity is road space. That we have to give lot of importance to the road space. So that is getting occupied. So the only system is we have to get to public transportation system. The existing public transportation system is APS RTC alone, because you know this other systems of autos, that is how it behaves, you know very well. So the only dependable source is APS RTC. But with APS RTC also, the PHPDT, which we call it as, that is peak hour peak direction traffic, that is the measure for traffic surveys. The buses, if they go one behind other also in a line, they can carry maximum of 10,000 passengers per hour on a particular area. So what happens is this type of PHPDT when you are getting, and when we measured the PHPDT in the core area of the city, we have found that it is crossing more than 25,000 at some places, and it is more than 20,000 at many places. So this type of PHPDT will not be able to solve with the existing public transportation system. We have to improve on the PTS now. I am trying to here present one more fact is, if you look at the model split, this model split, you can see two-wheelers is occupying 30% in trips, and if you take the vehicle trips, then again you can see two-wheelers are occupying 61% of the road space.